affected by cancer in some way. It touches all of us. The University of Maryland, Greater Baltimore Comprehensive Cancer Center, and the Community Outreach and Engagement team wants to change that story.
Lung cancer is the leading cause of cancer deaths. It took my grandmother at 73.
Colon cancer, breast cancer, leukemia. My family's battled them all.
My wife had thyroid cancer.
Cancer took my uncle from us.
There are 3.1 million breast cancer survivors in America, and I'm one of them.
Every year, 30,000 people in Maryland will get cancer, and 10,000 will die from it.
We are here to educate the Greater Baltimore Area about cancer, cancer risk factors, cancer screening, and treatments because we want to reduce the impact of cancer in our communities.
We want to get the word out about how to find cancer early.
Our Community Outreach and Engagement team can help educate your community through our curated in-person and virtual workshops and cancer-relevant presentations. We can also provide cancer education materials and resources for free to low-cost screening.
Together, we can make an impact in Baltimore and beyond.
We want to be your trusted resource for community cancer needs. Contact us to start changing the cancer story in Maryland.